Hello guys, and what's going on? Today I am playing this. I'm not gonna create another world because I'm not gonna know world. No, I don't know how it's hard to explain. Here's my house. Got some cool inches over here. Got the sunset skirt of happiness. The South Pole boat of speed. Build this thing, I don't know what it is. I just built it and also ladder to space. And let's see. My aquarium, no pieces. My water generator. Let me show you how it works. It looks like this. I'm gonna borrow. So no more. Okay. Come on, bud. So when you work with the South Pole boat of speed is now faster. Stronger. Even better. Alright, put it there. And then my still pick. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no. Hit remove. Please, please, please. Oh no. Now it removes all the lights. Whatever. Off. Wait. Please. First place these lights. Mine this thing. Get all the lights na. Gosh. What the frick? War. I'm just gonna can't meditate. Meditate until the water is warm. How many ages this takes? How much further? Yeah man. Yeah boy. Place all the lights. No me. So lantern helps. Come on, please put in place this much further. There. Oh, here is the lights. Come on, get it. Come on, man. Oh, got some lights. There's some ages I have to show you. This bear is my hotel. The bear here is my marble house that not built that to cover this thing back up. That and boom. And also cover this thing. It's ugly. Ugly man. Ugly. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna I don't have a tin bucket. I'm gonna go to my house and go to my golden chest. Right, I'm gonna show you how I got built. Well, there's one thing I have to show you. Two things. I don't know how many things. Oh, there's my greenhouse, my tower. This is what I call. Nah. That back. Right. Let's show you some stuff. Where's my greenhouse? My tower. This is my wall, so the scorpions won't get in. There's probably thousands of scorpions here. And I put there so they can go to my harbor. This is the old wooden lighthouse. Where's my fish? Underground house. And underwater scene that goes in another harbor. We finished. There's another harbor. There's some stuff too. Alright, what I'm gonna do today is my hot tub. My trade portals, my ice motion, ice armor. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you how this thing works. I get it in Sam Boyer's videos. I'm my number one fan of Sam Boyer. So I probably learned how to make a water generator. Alright, take up that water. There, see, the water is filling and I can get water in here. Woohoo! Get that water. I'm gonna fill this up. See, I'm gonna fill it. So gonna put lights in my marble house. Alright. I need clay. I have clay in this part. Logs. It's lagging because I'm recording right now. Get all that stuff. Come on, baby. Come on, lens dirt, man, bro. Wait, come over there. Get some of that. Convert stone. Stone dirt. Oh my god, stone. Put some stones right there, man. Go back in your house and put back the stone bucket. I'm gonna put it in my safe. Also these windows. I'm probably gonna build a awesome stuff right now. And do what I'm gonna build. I got a lot, thousands and thousands of stones. Thousands of stones. I'm gonna put this steam generator. I got only one solar panel, bro. Let's see how my flywheel's doing. It's doing great. I got one electric furnace. So it's bored today. I would plant these chilies. I got a lot of stones, thousands of trapdoors, and what I'm gonna build, bro. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make some stuff and build. Let me make trainer. Oh, use my oil. Kill myself some stuff. These lanterns. Why I get 4 stop. You get some weather and clay. Yep, I get clay here. Design for. You just time crystals because I use all of them. I was gonna make another crafter because when I was mining I found 20 time crystals and I used it to teleport here in the portal. Then when I go back mining I found 20 time crystals again and I used up all of them this and for crafting too, and get free 20 time crystals and use them all too. So just do it. Got cheating me. Come on, baby. Give me all its lanterns. Favorite charcoal. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, babies. Babies. Let me know house. Here. You'll be here too. You can use spades to mine, to get stuff in your crops. You can use stone spades. See, spades, any kind of spades. What glitch? Clearly, this glitches. Oh yeah, there. My piece of pick. Your trusty pick. Pickaxe. Cut kill. Probably that we like to eat. Everything is magic. It's meditate and then there's more fish. Oh, I hate the rain. Go. Oh, get them crystals. Where the coins? Copper coins. Buy some stuff. What can I buy? Like everything is getting expensive. Like this clever it was 18, like level 1 upgrade it was 18 copper coins, now it's 82. What the frick, bro? Get like thousands of stone over here, my guy. Last episode, last month of gaming. Come on, bro, sleep in your sleepless bed and roll. How did I even get stone pickaxe? Shut up, donkey. You know what to say. There's nothing in that.